Hello, good morning, fans. Welcome to our football scripting channel. Have a good Sunday today. Today we have selected some few games for our fans on our YouTube channel, which is called Football Scripting. So, the first game that we have selected uh, for our fans, this is the Belgium League. Storian versus Club Brugge, Tordren versus Club Brugge, full time Club Brugge win, odd 160, and the extra Club Brugge win over 2.5 goal, odd 250. More extra, correct score, Club Brugge win 2-1, odd is 9. Odd is 9. Good luck, fans. The next game that we have selected from the Argentina, Braces Central versus Neva Chicago. Full-time home win. Full-time home win at 1.80. Extra home win and our 2.5 goal. Home win and our 2.5 goals. The next game that we have selected from the Cyprus League, I'm not sure, Cyprus, yeah, Greek. Laracona versus Palmrani. Full-time home win odd is 1.4. Extra correct score 3-0, odd 9. Yeah, correct score 3-1, odd is 14. Keep the eyes on this game. Thank you, fans. This game's next games also from the Argentina, Faro versus Estonia. This game is the fixed game that we receive from our source. That is the payment before. If my subscriber on a channel reached over 70 today, I will publish this game free of cost. So now it's your job to do the task. Thank you. Also, next game from the Argentina, Plantains versus Temporarily. Full-time home win odd is 1.90. So Plantains versus Temporarily, home win odd is 1.90. Good luck, fans. Home win, yeah. This game is also 90% safe. The next game that we have selected, also from the German lower leagues, Zwackwa versus Lubeck, full-time draw. Odd is 390. This game is also 95% safe. It's good chance. Keep the eye on this game. Full-time draw. Full-time draw. German lower league. The next game we have selected from the FA Cup, British FA Cup. Bristol Cities versus Portsmouth. Both teams to score. Odd 1.80, 100% safe. Odd 1.80, 100% safe. Also, next game we have selected from the German league, Rafila versus Sammaritino Joen. Both teams to score, odd 1.80, 100% safe. Both teams to score, yeah. Keep the eyes on this game. The next game that we have selected from the Italian league, League 1, which is the Udinese versus Napoli. Full time Napoli win, away win, odd is 1.90. Odd is 1.90. So Napoli win. This is the almost 95% save this games. Keep the eye on this game as well. Thank you fans. Good luck. The next game that we have selected from the Italian lower league, Potenza versus Albofino Lef. Full time home win. Full time home win, odd is 2.40. Odd is 2.40. This game is also a 95% save from our analysis. So keep the eyes on this game as well. Thank you. The last and the final game that we have selected from the Jordan League, Al Rahmata versus Al Jazeera. Aman, full time draw, full time draw, full time draw. Odd is 3.50, full time draw. Yeah, full time draw. This is 90s, 95, 99% save. This is sure game, sir. Good luck, fans. This is the good game. And no, we have also some announcement. This is our Facebook official page, Facebook scripting. If my condition is fulfilled, 70 subscriber, I will post fixed game on this page today free, which is correct score good or game from the like a Argentina league. Yeah, also I will put some short clip 1 minute on YouTube as well. And have a good day, please, my fans. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel and share our channel. So if you promote us and like a share our channel, we will encourage and we will post more video for our fans free of cost. Yeah, thank you fans, and have a good day and good Sunday. Thanks.